high-quality educators help shape high-quality programs. Faculty of high-quality career education programs come from industry. They possess deep industry knowledge, but they also have the ability to pass on that knowledge. They hold relevant professional certifications and academic degrees, and they tend to be involved in professional trade organizations. They remain active learners in their fields, staying up to date in knowledge and skills by attending conferences and trainings and visiting recognized programs at other colleges. A high-quality CTE program also will have more than one full-time faculty member, as well as adjunct faculty from industry. Program faculty will be visible and involved in campus governance to ensure their programs and the interests are represented in the academic senate and campus committees.